The Filipino words daw and raw, they are used to indicate hearsay or something reported by someone else. They can be translated as they say, supposedly, or it is said in English. Similarities. Both daw and raw have the same meaning and usage. They are used to relay information that the speaker has heard from someone else but may not have confirmed personally. Their differences: daw is used after words that end in a consonant except R, and raw is used after words that end in a vowel or the consonant R. Example sentences with daw. Pangit daw ang pelikula. They say the new movie is not good. When we say pangit, that's ugly, not good, and then bago is new, and then a pelikula is a movie. So pangit daw ang bagong pelikula. Mayaman daw si Juan. When we say mayaman, that means rich, and then Juan is the name of the person. They say Juan is rich. Mayaman daw si Juan. Masarap daw ang pagkain sa bagong restaurant. So they say the food at the new restaurant is delicious. Masarap is delicious, pagkain is food, bago is new, and restaurant is a restaurant. Masarap daw ang pagkain sa bagong restaurant. Nasa bakasyon daw si Maria. They say Maria is on vacation. Nasa bakasyon daw si Maria. Magaling daw magluto si Lola. They say grandma is good at cooking. When we say magaling, that means good or excellent in a way. Luto, that means to cook, and Lola is grandma. Magaling daw magluto si Lola. Matangkad daw ang bagong kaklase. When they say the new classmate is tall, matangkad is tall, and bago is new, and then kaklase is a classmate. Matangkad daw ang bagong kaklase. Mahal daw ang bilihin doon. They say the goods are expensive there. Mahal is expensive, and bilihin are goods. Mahal daw ang bilihin doon. Sasayaw daw siya sa party mamaya. They say he or she will dance at the party later. Sayaw means dance, and then mamaya is later. So sasayaw daw sila sa party mamaya. Mabait daw ang guro nila. They say their teacher is kind. Mabait is kind, and the guro is a teacher. Nila is there. So mabait daw ang guro nila. Malapit daw sa mall ang bahay ni Ana. They say Ana's house is near the mall. Malapit is near, and then bahay is house. Malapit daw sa mall ang bahay ni Ana. Sentences with raw. Masaya raw sila sa party. They say they were happy at the party. So masaya is happy, sila is they, and party is a party. Masaya raw sila sa party. Sumama raw kayo sa party bukas ng gabi. They say you join the party tomorrow evening. Sumama is like to join or to attend. And then party is party, and then bukas is tomorrow, and then gabi is evening. Sumama raw kayo sa party bukas ng gabi. Maganda raw ang tanawin sa bundok. They say the view from the mountain is beautiful. Maganda, that means pretty or beautiful. And then bundok is the mountain. And then tanawin is the view. Maganda raw ang tanawin sa bundok. Nandito na raw ang binili mong kotse. They said the car that you bought is already here. Nandito is here. And then bili, that's a root word. Buy, binili, bought, and then a kotse is a car. It can also be a sasakyan. Nandito na raw ang binili mong kotse. Nagluto raw ang nanay ng masarap na adobo. They said mom cooked delicious adobo. Luto, that's cook. Nanay, that's mother. Masarap is delicious, and adobo, it's a dish, Filipino dish. Nagluto raw ang nanay ng masarap na adobo. Naglalaro raw ang mga bata sa parke. They say the children are playing at the park. Laro, that's play, and bata is a kid. Mga bata are the children. Mga makes the noun plural. And then a parke is a park. Masaya raw siya ngayon. He or she said, or they said, he, she is happy now. Masaya is happy. And then ngayon is now. So masaya raw siya ngayon. Uuwi raw siya sa bahay bukas. They say he or she will go home tomorrow. Uwi, that's like go home. And then bahay is a house, and then bukas is tomorrow. Uuwi raw siya sa bahay bukas. Pupunta raw kami sa beach sa Sabado. They say we are going to the beach on Saturday. Punta, that's go, pupunta, going to, will go. And then beach, and then Sabado, that's Saturday. Pupunta raw kami sa beach sa Sabado. Another one is na-promote raw si Kuya sa trabaho. They say older brother got promoted at work. Trabaho is work, Kuya is older brother. So na-promote raw si Kuya sa trabaho. And that is all about this video regarding daw and raw in Filipino.